What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck in Desert Titanium, and today is a case video. Now, shout out to the good folks over at Casetify, guys. Today, I got something that I consider nostalgic and just fun. You know, this is an impact case. Casetify makes some quality cases, I must say, from recycled material, very protective. But they do a lot of dope collaborations with different brands. And what we got going on today is the Dragon Ball Z collaboration for the impact case for my iPhone 16 Pro, guys. I think this is so dope because when I was younger, it was a lot of Dragon Ball Z going on. As you can see, we got Goku on the back of the Casetify case. I find this really dope, interesting, and just nostalgic. I hope a lot of y'all like this. These are the type of things that I like from Casetify. The collabs with certain brands like Dragon Ball Z, this is dope. What they did with Stranger Things, this is dope. So yeah, most definitely, as you can see, it's for the 16 Pro. We got Son Goku Super Saiyan. So we got Super Saiyan Goku right here on the back of the case. And a lot of y'all that's my age know when we was younger, we was watching this like crazy. So it's not a whole lot to talk about, guys. As you can see, Dragon Ball Z Casetify. Now we're just gonna slide the case out like so. And as you can see, this is a nice print, guys. Just looking at the back of this case, I like how they printed this on here. It's not cheap and cheesy. The colors are super vibrant. Goku looked like he popping off the case, about to hit you with some karate. And I must say, this just a nice Casetify packaging. Casetify always package all of his cases like it's something limited or exclusive. I like how they do that with their packaging. So very nice packaging. Shout out to Casetify. Now here we go, guys. The case, the back is actually a hard plastic material. Very, very protective and rugged feeling case. As you can see, like I said, Goku looks 3D. The paint, the colors, very vibrant. This is still a MagSafe case. And we got the classic Casetify raised up that goes around the camera. But this actual Casetify branded raised lip. Now, as you can see, this nice raised lip, guys, is also a nice sturdy kickstand that when you're done with it, snaps right into place. Now on the side, we got a thick TPU type of material with the buttons made into it. As you can see, slits for easier button press. If they don't put these slits on the side of the button press is really hard on these TPU cases sometimes. So I'm glad they put the slits. As you can see, you got your action button right here. And then down here, it tells you about the recycled materials that these cases is made out of. So good job for Casetify going green. On this side, guys, they actually did a big hole for the camera control button. We got the power button. And we also got a spot for a lanyard if you want to do that. And look how that lip is raised up so it protects your camera sensors while it's in this case. Down bottom, all necessary cutouts for the speakers and your Type-C. On the inside, it's pretty naked except for the MagSafe magnet. Now, go ahead and let me know what y'all think, guys. Go ahead, get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this case because I think it's absolute fire. If you was a fan of Dragon Ball Z, if you from the time period that I'm from, this is nostalgic. This is dope. This is a conversation piece. This is almost so dope, I kind of almost didn't want to put it on my phone, but I'm like, no, I gotta rock this and let people see the Casetify Dragon Ball Z Super Saiyan Goku case. Now, as you can see at the same time, super protective with this kickstand. As you can see, the cameras are nice and recessed. So if you drop this on a flat surface, your camera lenses and the glass that cover them is not gonna take the impact. This ring will take the impact, possibly saving you from a cracked or shattered camera lens, which you don't want. Now, because it's got slits in the button, nice, easy tactile button press, even though you got buttons cut into the TPU. And guys, out front, you got a nice, cushiony, big raised lip in front of your display. So if I didn't have a screen protector on my device and I was walking down the street and I dropped it on the cement on a flat surface, The impact wouldn't be taken by my display, but this nice big lip that's going around the display on the case. So that's definitely a win right here. I just want to show y'all at that angle, nice big plush raised lip around the display. So this case is not only dope and vintage and all of that good stuff, but it's actually protective. So since this case got MagSafe powers, I'm gonna check the MagSafe powers real quick, make sure they nice and strong. Got a MagSafe ring holder, snap right onto the case. The kid almost picked the case up. As you can see, the case is not going anywhere. I'm only holding the ring holder. The weight of the case is being held by the magnetic power, and it's not going nowhere. So nice, strong MagSafe powers on this case. But yeah, YouTube, this is a super dope collaboration. I'll put a link down in the description. Shout out to them for sending this case out to me. Very dope, very nostalgic. I'm definitely going to be rocking this. I'll put a link down in the description if y'all want to check some of the stuff out. It's also AirPod cases, a lot more stuff. So definitely check out my link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.